Hello, dears, how are you? I can still feel that heartbeat. I can still feel the heartbeat. I can still feel your pain. There is nothing that we lost, my dear, and think ever to gain. Things were just not meant to be. We were not destined to be. In a love relationship, my dear sweetheart, just go with the flow and move on. Let go of your fear. Life will be life will be better for you from now. My beautiful dear heart, you have to smile. You have to smile and how and make love a winner in life, my dear. Goodbye, a final time. This is a goodbye from a heart side. In in life, in my life, I learned how to smile, how to love, how to hard work, my dear, how to love and how to cry. But I never learned how to stop missing you. How to stop missing you, my dear, sweet dear. I can't see you, I can't hear you, and I can't touch you, my dear. But my heart, but my mind and heart will keep replaying the time when I could, my dear. Moon can change shape, but sun can never, my dear. Truth of life can change, but death can never, my beautiful dear heart. And you can forget me. You can forget me, but I will miss you forever.